die tomorrow, still let go. Keep holding on to things I can't change. Think about that blonde hair, think about them blue eyes. Time to let her know she could be mine if I die tomorrow. I see the stars, the kids playing out in the yard. We built a house next to the lake where we move in. I think that I have a chance, but what if I am wrong? If I die tomorrow, still let go. Keep holding on to things I can't change.